Hello, hello, hello. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle. Welcome to Fork It Up with Neely. Today I'm gonna be jumping in on my 2-week ab challenge with Chloe Ting. And let me tell you, her video is so amazing. If you guys are very curious about this video, I am gonna leave the link below in the description box, okay? So, I definitely know this is probably like a big deal to everybody. It is like the hardest thing to lose weight is your stomach area. Okay, it's very hard to lose the extra fat, and I was just searching on the internet of like, what can I do to lose the rest of the body fat that I have in my like stomach area, my love handles, or my back fat, or whatever, right? What can I do? And I happened to come across the Chloe Ting video, and I realized that it's such a popular thing. Like, people were like already on that on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, and I was just like, I gotta try this. So I realized when I first started her ab workout, just to see how one was, it's pretty hard if you don't do abs on a regular basis, or if you don't do abs once in a while. It wasn't easy for me, so I'm just throwing it out there. On the 2-week program that I did, it was hard, and for some reason I felt like my body was just not used to it until the following week. Once I got like on day 9, I was like, okay, now I don't feel like I'm like dying. Like, it was still hard, but you're able to maintain it. Just to throw this out here too, I also do workouts. So I also do like a weightlifting type of workouts. Also, I run once or twice a week, and I do yoga. So I just want to throw that out there. I know majority of the weight that I lost is because I'm already maintaining my body. The ab workout was kind of like the cherry on top, that you just needed to lose like the few inches around like your waist or something. And if anybody doesn't know, I'm also vegan, so I do eat a majority of a plant-based diet regardless. So let's jump into those pictures, okay? My before pictures. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am so embarrassed to show people. I am very like, don't look at me, don't judge me, but here we are. Let's do it. And yeah.
Alrighty guys, so I didn't necessarily want to show you a picture. I wanted to show you more of a video, so that way you guys can see it. It's nothing of sugarcoating, this is the real deal. And this actually helped me to keep pushing myself, because there's going to be a point where you're going to want to stop doing this challenge, but keep pushing yourself.
Okay, so I didn't have like a set goal of like how much weight I wanted to lose per se. However, I just knew I just wanted to take off the extra inches around my waistline and my lower belly. So I can feel like I'm slim, and my body won't have to look like a pear. It can look more like a Coca-Cola body. Even though I don't like Coca-Cola, but it's fine, it's okay. I wanna look snatched and not fat. What I wish I did, and if you are doing this challenge, maybe you should do this, is measure yourself. Because you're gonna see the difference. And the only reason how I knew I lost was not only in like a before and after picture, but I felt it like in my jeans. My jeans weren't like so tight on me. I felt it like whatever I wore, like underwear, whatever clothes I was wearing, I felt loose. I felt like I wasn't so bloated. Just because you're vegan doesn't mean that you're healthy. Not all vegans are healthy. I've definitely seen that. But I digress. Measure yourself because I feel like you'll definitely see the difference, and it'll probably make you feel so like happy and like motivated to keep going and not just stop on a 2-week challenge. You know what I'm saying? And when I saw my after picture, it made me realize that I am going to put ab workouts after my main workouts, and staying consistent on it about at least 4 to 5 times a week, you know, because I've noticed how nice my body was feeling. I felt great, I looked great, I felt like I could wear anything. If I want to wear a little croppy crop top, I could without that extra fat that's hanging on the side. You don't want that, okay? I know you women don't want that. I don't want that.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give you the full out video of the whole 10-minute ab challenge. I'm gonna be fast forwarding it obviously because it's just so long and I don't really think you need to see a whole full 10 minutes of how to do this. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna leave you the link description below, and it obviously, as I told you, it will get a little bit easier as the time go by. Obviously, I think by 9, I think I said, it was a little bit easier to do. Yet it's still a hard challenge depending on what you eat throughout the day, and I really hope this will inspire you to try to do this too if you're trying to lose any weight in your core area, and just have fun. Alrighty guys, so this is my after, and I noticed that I did lose the little extra fat that I did not want around on the side of my body, towards the front, even like a little bit of my love handles towards the back. I did see a little bit of my abs go in, nothing that crazy, but this makes me feel proud, okay? And my before picture, to me, I think is crazy. To my after picture, I can see like a huge difference, and I'm proud of myself, and I hope you are too.
So yes, that is my after picture. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel so sexy, I feel so free. I feel like when my body is going back to like a normal shape and a good shape, I feel like I'm so good at eating so much better and not like going out there and, you know, snacking here and there. I love it. I feel like I feel like $1 million or $1 billion on the elevator, you know what I'm saying? And I just love it. Like when I'm going out, I will always wear like different little things here and there, and it's okay if you get a little size that is a little tight, but it's nice because your body shows off. I'm just saying. I'm not saying you have to wear less clothes to show off your body. You can wear something that is literally from like head to toe, or obviously from neck to toe, and if it's nice, not tight fitted, but fitted on you and your body shows, I think that's sexy. So if you like this video, guys, thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure to hit that little bell. That way you guys can get like a notification when I upload a video. I normally upload every other week, but since I've been having a little bit more free time, I'm trying to start uploading every week. But the main goal is alternate weeks, only because I have so much on my plate. I also go to school and I'm just busy. Also, guys, check out my live stream on every Monday. I do let out like a certain time on Instagram a couple days in advance. So if you guys want to know what time I'm live streaming, you can catch me on the gram. All the links of all my social medias are below. And I hope you have a great night, guys. It's Sunday by me when I film this, so have a happy Sunday or have a happy day in general. Take care. Bye. Peace. And guys, let's let out some tea right now. I have noticed on my YouTube channel that people that are watching me are people that are not subscribed to me. Guys, if you watch the channel, it's beneficial when you hit the subscribe button because it helps me make more videos. It supports my channel and it will give me an idea of like better content that people want. So if you can subscribe to the channel, if this is something you're not interested in, don't worry about it. No hard feelings. But if you are, hit the subscribe button. And